Here at the Wix editor, you want to find the specific place to put on your Google Calendar. So for example, I'm going to put it here and click on Add Section. After that, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then click right here on Add Apps with this 4 rectangle, which will open up Wix App Market. On App Market, you want to search for Google Event Calendar. On Google Event Calendar, you want to click on it one time, and then you want to choose on Add to Site. And then wait again for a bit, and there you go. On the Google Event Calendar, you can actually move it around your website, or actually make it bigger or smaller. And then after you've done with that, you want to go to Settings right here on the Google Event Calendar, and then you want to click on Connect Account. And you want to make sure you are connecting with the right account, because the Wix app will read and show your Google Calendar of your account to be shown. So just click on one of your account, and then you can just follow the prompt. And after you connect with your account, you can just click on Calendars. On Account Calendars, you can just choose which of the event that will be visible to your website visitor. Here in my calendar, because I only have one event on Indonesian holidays, then I can only choose one event. But if you have like a bunch of events, 2 or 3 or 4, you can choose which one of them or all of them to be show up right here on the event of the calendar. And then after you add your event and appointment on the Google Calendar, you want to click on Refresh Panel right here. And then after that, you can go to Layout. Just click on Layout. On Layout, you can choose the Google Event Calendar to be on monthly, so it will be shown by August 2025, or to make it just weekly, or even per agenda. So it will only show what agenda that you have at that month. And then you can also choose the calendar head to be prefix or responsive. And then after that, you can just click on Display to show time zone and private events. And then go to Settings to change the time format and the language, and also the design of the Google Event Calendar. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add Google Calendar on Wix website. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.